There are so many important lessons when it comes to driving. But there is a very important lesson that I have never heard anyone teach. Your brain is a supercomputer that processes information at super speeds. Now, every computer needs an input of data enabled to process. Now, if I see something that's spilled under my car, I would rather feel or smell whether it's oil than taste it. But you need to smell if something is burning. Maybe you're handling your clutch a bit hard in the traffic. When you're approaching that intersection and you hear people, you better pay attention before you end up inside of it. You don't hear when to change gears, and you don't look at your rev counter. It's something that you feel when the momentum is right. If you are looking at the intersection as you're approaching and you see car A, B, and C, and you look at them in the distance that they are coming from approaching the circle, and then you try and determine the speed, your brain will automatically do the maths as you are just looking. In the beginning, your brain is overthinking everything, and you're thinking about your hands and your feet and what they should be doing. But with a lot of practice and a bit of training, you'll soon be able to do this and do it naturally without even thinking about it. Then everything becomes automatic and you will enjoy driving.